I think I wanted a ukulele for a while now. Not for any particular reason, honestly. I just wanted to learn an instrument because I love singing and I thought it would be really nice to have something I could just pick up and play. I have this ukulele from Volt company. It's a tenor size. So let's just unbox this. I already have few hobbies like painting and stuff. But I wanted to try something completely different this time. And then I finally decided, okay, let's just get one. So here we are. I was actually really excited when this arrived because I've never owned a ukulele before. So even opening the box felt kinda exciting. I obviously have no idea how good I'm going to be at this or how long it's going to take me to learn. But honestly, I am just happy that I finally got one. And yeah, and I guess that's it. I have a ukulele now.